In the conversion of toluene to mandelic acid, what you need to do is take first toluene, it is methyl group, take 2 moles of chlorine, 2 moles of chlorine. Okay, this is lab type of technique. 2 moles of chlorine taking is not possible, but for our understanding purpose, so we can use. This use aqueous KOH. As you know the conditions, 2 chlorines can be replaced by 2 OH groups and 1 carbon cannot hold 2 OH groups, so it will be immediately converted into aldehyde. When this is aldehyde, CHO means you can write C double bond OH. Now you go for addition of HCN, hydrogen cyanide. This is a nucleophilic addition reaction on this double bond O. So it will be giving you, see, benzene is as it is. This is CH. This is also as it is. Benzene CH. This will be converted, giving you cyanide CN, and this is converted to OH. Benzene CHOH. Benzene CHOH you got. One cyanide is there, that should be converted to COH. That's a very simple step. When you are going for hydrolysis, you will be getting here CHOH, COH. Toluene to mandelic acid. They don't ask you mandelic acid by name. They will be giving you the formula. Otherwise, in these conversions, we know all the conversions. Okay, now all together at a place is important. Toluene, 2 moles and you are using, okay, now dichloro. Okay, now this, when 2 chlorines are here, use aqueous KOH, 2 OH groups, unstable, converted into aldehyde. Then nucleophilic addition reaction of HCN, cyanide is coming, and COH. Whenever aldehydes and ketones are there and you want to increase 1 carbon, one of the best technique is HCN, addition of HCN, that is nucleophilic addition reaction. You will be getting there the product. Next one, ethyl benzene to styrene. Ethyl benzene to styrene.
Dehydrogenation.
Ethyl benzene. Styrene. Styrene is vinyl benzene. Dehydrogenation by using which reagent? Dehydrogenation is not a easy technique, beta. దానికి బదులుగా you just go with NBS. What will be the product on NBS? N-bromosuccinamide, allylic bromination. This will be double bond, na? This is double bond. So this is allylic position. So bromine will come. Now you know what to do to get this. Okay, this is 1 bromo 1 phenyl ethane. From that, when you are using alcoholic KOH, you will be getting there vinyl benzene, which we call styrene. Vinyl benzene is only called styrene. Okay. Next, we have taken almost all the regular reactions along with this. Now, a simple conversion I am asking you. See, you can say all this. First, I have taken toluene, then chlorine 1 mole, light I am using, then KCN, then after this I am using methyl magnesium iodide CH3MgI. After that step is H3O plus, heat. It is, you say A, this is B, this is C. Take a moment time. Exactly. A is, this compound is benzene with CH2Cl. Benzyl chloride is A. B is CH2Cn. No doubt up to here, I think. KCN is coming, CH2Cn. This is done. Immediately in the C case, when you are adding CH3MgI, that is Grignard reagent, this will be converted to CH2 C triple bond N. When you are adding CH3 group, okay, that is Grignard reagent group, this part will be converted to C double bond O. Okay, now extra CH3 group is coming here. How that is coming? It's very simple. RC triple bond N, if it is there, Grignard reagent we know Rm minus Mgx plus, this R will be attacking here, bond is shifted here, so it becomes RC R double bond N. Later hydrolysis, this will be replaced by oxygen. Okay, so you are getting there a ketone. If you want, you just have a look again. This first step is 100% you are clear. Second step, chlorine is replaced by cyanide. That is alkyl halides reaction, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Chlorine is replaced by cyanide. Cyanide, when treated with Grignard reagent, okay, now if you are having hydrogen cyanide, or if you are having any other cyanide, when you are using Grignard reagent, extra one methyl group is going to become, and that will be converted to a carbonyl compound. One interesting reaction that is. Next, one more reaction I will give you. Similarly, ABC type of reaction. You just have a look here. Methyl I have. Then CH3 taken twice, CH2Cl in presence of AlCl3. I am getting here A. On A, NBS I am using. NBS in presence of CCl4 and peroxide. Okay, NBS means you can understand what I wanted to get there. Next step is KCN, then H3O plus heat. First toluene. On the toluene, I wanted to go for, in simple sense, I wanted to go for alkylation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Yes, exactly. So first step we did just now. Okay, now it is benzene. This part is methyl. Now methyl is the ortho-para directing group. Okay, and the coming group can come at ortho place or para place, but this is a bulky group. So bulky groups are generally given at this place. Why like this? Because CH2, it will be getting the plus charge carbocation, but hydrogen from here will be shifted tertiary carbocation. Tertiary carbocation is more stable, so that is coming here and you are getting a tertiary butyl group. Once if it is done, remaining will be easy. Here there is no hydrogen to be replaced by NBS, so definitely mandatorily the hydrogen is replaced from this part only. So CH2Br you are getting. This is tertiary butyl group. Okay, don't confuse. Then C. This is A, this is B, C. And bromine should be replaced by cyanide. Bromine should be replaced by cyanide. So CH2 cyanide CN. But immediately mentioned hydrolysis also. So on hydrolysis, it always converts into acid. So this reaction is one special. In this, how many steps are there? You see, how many important lines are there? How many questions are there in one question? First point, methyl nature, ortho-para directing group. Second point, this reaction is Friedel-Crafts reaction. Third point, rearrangement. Okay, now primary carbocation will turn into tertiary carbocation. Then that cannot come at ortho place, so that will go at para place because that is a bulky group. So fourth point, NBS. NBS can attack at allelic position. Allelic positions, this one or this one, but there is no hydrogen here. So mandatorily that will go here. Then KCN. KCN is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. So only this bromine is replaced by the cyanide. Then hydrolysis. Okay. And finally, you are getting this product. So such questions we'll discuss more